Hello.
Hello! We're back down in Portishead and we found another little beach. We're not quite sure what it's called, so I'll have to look it up when we get back. And when I find out what it is, I will put it down in the description below. But it is a lovely day, isn't it?
It is, yes.
And it's lovely. It's just a tiny little cove here. And we've bought your drone, isn't it?
Yep, that's Parrot Swing Drone. So just give that a blast. He's been a long time sat in the cupboard. So yeah, see how he goes.
And obviously there's no wind today, so it's just perfect. So here
There
we
you
go.
go.
And there's Tony, and he's just setting off his drone. Let's go. So is that in whoa, that's in drone mode. I can't even catch it. He's going too fast. It's a lovely drone, but you need a lot of room for this, so the beaches are the best place to do this. And yes, it's less than 250 grams. It's totally illegal because it is a toy drone. But you got it in drone mode, haven't you? So there he is. It's hard to catch it because so while he's flying his drone a minute, I'll just show you around the beach. So it's a lovely little covelet. And the Sugarloaf Beach is around the corner from there, where we were the other day. So yeah, it's lovely. It's pebbly. Very pebbly. And there's Tony. Hello, Tony. Oh, that's better. Do you do the aeroplane mode? Ooh, is that the aeroplane mode?
No,
Ah.
drone mode though. Hello, Tony. Hello, Ruth. Here
He's
we
going to have
go.
another shot. You have to put another battery in. So here we go again. And I'm not even going to attempt this this one today. Um, so it's going pretty good, isn't it? You haven't flown it for quite a few years, isn't it?
Yeah,
So
8 years it's been in the cupboard.
8 years. It's not doing too bad then. It is a lovely day here though, isn't it, Tony?
It is, yeah, it's
Bit
just right.
casty, but it's not cold. It's flying well though. So this is just the drone mode he's got it in today. I think he's going to keep it in drone mode today because when you put it in plane mode, it goes really fast and it'd be hard to try and film it. So that's lovely, Han.
Yes, it does go well.
It does, doesn't it? Like you say, it's been in the cupboard, as you said, 8 years.
Yes.
God, it's a long time, isn't it? Yeah, I don't think I'd even attempt to have a go at this. It's too professional for me.
Hello again. So there you go.
So there you go. So that's Tony's, what's it called?
Parrot Swing Drone.
Parrot Swing Drone.
Yeah.
And we have showed you it before on another blog when we did the drones at home, but obviously he couldn't show you it properly. So that was the first maiden flight. Is it for 8 years?
Yes, it was. Yes.
God, why didn't time fly? Excuse the pun. But no, it was good. It was fun. So yeah, if you liked her vid today,
Like, share, subscribe.
yeah, don't forget. And we will see you all in the next one.
Thank you.
Bye
Bye-bye.
for now. Bye.